Hello again, MGT 610 students. Now we're going to look in the same module, sample SMACs. We're going to look at sample SMAC 2. In this SMAC, the person who did the work for it was interested in investigating the difference in length of wait time before a patient being seen in the emergency room, day shift versus night shift, where there's significantly longer wait times in one shift versus the other. They have some background research talking about wait times and obviously how important that is. There's many statistics that say, if you can see a patient even 2 minutes earlier, the likelihood of them surviving is significantly higher. And it could also lead to much less complications, which in turn saves cost. Anyway, so what this person was primarily concerned with comparing the wait times, day shift versus night shift, for a person who enters the hospital. So this kind of test is called a two-sample test for comparing means, often called a two-sample t-test. It can also be a z-test. There's reasons for that we'll discuss later. And so this is just some beginning study. They've collected data over several days for both the evening shift and the night shift. Some of the stuff didn't render well, but this last thing, this 24.99, turned out to be something called the z-score. And since that number was so big, what we found out is that this person showed that the wait times are significantly longer um, during the day than during the night. And so that was one of the things that they highlighted. So this study was nice because this person had access to lots of data within the hospital that she worked for and so forth. So there was lots of nice things there to consider. Okay,